everybody, it is Brooke with Re-Fabbed, and I'm super excited because today I wanted to do a craft with y'all. I had about 30 to 40 minutes in between something. I was like, I'm gonna share a craft, I'm gonna do something, I don't know. So I came up with this, and in my head, it is so cute. So I hope that it is cute in person. If it is, maybe I'll give it away to somebody. That's always my favorite thing to do, is to make things to give away. Of course, I definitely make things for my own house and for friends or family, but my favorite thing to do is just create and to get to give it away to y'all. So make sure you sprinkle the video. That is always, always, always one of the key things here, which just means share. It's just engaging, because that is what helps me the most. That's what I appreciate so much. And that's what helps my page. I want to give you a little rundown on what I'm trying to do, what I've got in my head. So you might notice that I've got these little wood slices. They're not glued on. I just want to show you how I have them arranged, which might not be how I keep them arranged. But I have a little wooden sign, which I'm going to paint white and then distress it. And then I'm going to glue some of my moss at the bottom down here, okay? Actually, yes, I'm going to do that down there. Then I'm going to glue each of these somewhat like this, okay? And then I'm going to paint a different color on each one, and these are flowers, okay? Then I'm going to do sticks going down into the moss, and then I'm going to do little leaves with this, I think. That's my goal. That's what I'm planning on doing. I think it's going to be cute. It's going to be just real different, real whimsy. We'll see. But that's what I have in mind. So that's what we're going to do today. So all I'm going to do first is just throw a little white paint on here. I'm not trying to get it perfect or anything. I'm not trying to get it covered. I just want to get it to where it has some color besides this natural wood. That's all. I'll take my big paintbrush, and I'm just literally just kind of painting it on there. So I don't want to have paint all over me, but it won't be the first or the last, so nobody really cares, but I'm trying to stay somewhat clean. I'm just gonna kind of get it on the sides, get it in the middle. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm not trying to get it purely covered. I'm just trying to get it just kind of like a whitewash look a little bit. Just so, because we're covering it anyway, I just want it to look a little more finished. Okay, so there we go. Let me get the bottom. So here we go. Here's the front. Perfect, perfect. Okay, so let's go ahead and take, this is from Dollar Tree. It's just some of the reindeer moss stuff. It stinks, it's messy. Listen, it's just the truth. But it really does good with crafting, so let's go ahead and throw us some hot glue on here. And then I'm just gonna lay it on there. I wanna get it kind of thick. It's so messy, y'all, for real, but it's fine, it's all fine. So let me show you this. Cute, got our little grass. I've just got all these different wood slices. I get them a bunch of different places. I've got all kinds of sizes, and I'm just gonna literally glue them. I want them all different. I just want all different sizes and shapes. That's what my goal is here. And I'm gonna get, I want to be able to paint on the side that is the smoothest. So I'm kind of looking at that as I'm deciding which one to put the glue on. So this is what we look like now. How cute. Can y'all tell that this is gonna be cute? Or I think it is. I brought a bunch of different colors to see what I liked. I got King's Gold, which is one of my favorite mustard colors. Kind of goes right along with this. I love mustard in the spring. I really do. I love it in the summer. I mean, I love it in the fall too. I really just love mustard. And it accents with a lot of other colors really good. It accents with this Key West really good. So I'm gonna do those two, I think. And I think fruit punch and then a green. So let's just do that. I'll go ahead and Get some mustard right here on this bad boy. We're just gonna paint it. All I'm doing, I'm not painting the sides, I'm only painting the center. They're just really kind of fun, circular, whimsy flowers. It's kind of one of those things that's like art. You have to kind of imagine it. Like it may not look like a flower, but I think you'll know it's a flower when you see it, but it's not one of those that you're typical, got the petals, all the things. But these wood slices hold paint really well. Sometimes like this color is kind of seeping in a little bit, but it's not gonna take much to get it in there. And then I think for this other big one, I want to use some fruit punch. It's all apple barrel. Everything I'm using, I believe, is apple barrel. Yes, it is. All apple barrel by Plaid. Ooh, that might be a little too much, but we'll work with it. Okay, so there's that. That fruit punch is my favorite hot pink color. Favorite. It is so good. It is my favorite. Then I said I'm going to use Key West. Y'all already know it's my other favorite. Ooh, that looks really good. Oh my gosh, these three colors together, I knew they would, but they really look good together. I'm gonna pick it up after I get this on there really good so that you can see how good these colors look together. Okay, I want you to see what this is looking like so far. How cute! Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh. So I think I want to use this parakeet color. I'm not positive what it's gonna look like, but I think that's what I'm gonna do. If it's bad, I'll just color over it or paint over it. It's fine. But I don't think it'll be bad. Oh yeah, that's good. That's springy, that's bright, it's enough difference. I didn't want it to look too much like the blue. This is coming along like it was in my head. My head can be a scary place, honestly, because I got all these ideas. They never quit turning, and sometimes it's a bad thing because sometimes I just like, I don't go numb. That sounds really ridiculous, but I won't act on any of them because I have so many, you know? Like sometimes when you've got a huge to-do list, you just sit there and you're like, I'm gonna have a snack or I'm gonna take a nap or something. When you really have a million things to do because it overwhelms you, sometimes that's how my ideas are. I'm just there like going nonstop and I'm like, I'm just not gonna do any of them. So sometimes that holds me back, but I'm glad I did this today because I think it's gonna be cute. I have little sticks from my yard. So what I'm gonna do is measure them and kind of stick them down into the moss and hot glue them on. That's my next thing. And then after that, I'm gonna take this is from the Dollar Tree years ago, and I am going to make little leaves with it. We'll see what that looks like. It may not look good, but I don't know, we'll see. Listen, sticks free from your yard or a neighbor's yard, they will not care for you to pick up a few sticks. I use them in crafting literally all the time. Like pom-pom, sticks. Oh, I mean, gosh, you know, the big pom-pom, the big sticks coming out of this vase or something, and then sticking the pom-poms on it. I absolutely love that. Do that all the time, and they are so cute. I've done those and shared those on the blog. For Christmas, did a snowflake craft. Well, it's a really pretty Pottery Barn replica of snowflake sticks. It's a sticks in a snowflake. Gosh, finally got that out. And actually I was reached out to by Farmhouse Magazine about featuring that. So that was an awesome little thing. They want to put that in their print magazine in December, or not December, well, it might be December, but in the winter. It's called Deck the Walls. So that was exciting when they emailed me about that. Let me get this last stick. That was just like last week. So sticks literally are great, okay? I think this is really turning out cute, y'all. Hopefully you agree. If not, maybe it inspired you to think outside the box at least. Okay, here's what it looks like so far. Uh-oh. These are fun. Now what I want to do next is make little leaves, okay, for the flowers. And I'm just gonna, these two colored greens are totally different. Let me show you. So this is more kind of along the lines of this parakeet. This is like a, you know, a forest green, but it's gonna be really cute to have that difference in color, but then also how it blends. So this is all I had left of this. I got it from Dollar Tree a while back, and I thought it would be perfect for this. So what I'm gonna do, I think, I'm just gonna cut off maybe just a few inches right here. What I'm thinking is I am going to, because they're wide, fold it in half, flip it up like this, like a V, and then stick it down. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Stick it down kind of in the moss and glue it. That's what I'm doing. And then I'll let the moss cover it up so you can't see the very bottom where I've got it all coming together. And then if I need to trim it up, I will. That is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna trim it just a tad on that side. Okay, so this is what the first one looks like. Look how stinking cute that is. Look how cute this turned out, okay? I might add a little more and I might not, because I really think it's just super cute. And I'm surprised, honestly, that I did it this fast. But y'all, look. And I'm gonna keep the hanger on in case whoever gets it wants to hang it. And this little sign was from Dollar Tree for $3 from the plus section, but you can find them all over the place. But how stinking cute. Oh, I was gonna do one more thing that I just remembered. In the center of the flower, I wanted to do a little dot. All right, I ended up doing a swirl, which it looks pretty cute. All right, and that makes it show up that much more. So here we are, guys, our little fun flowers. And if you end up not wanting this in the center, then when it dries, it is gonna be, it's tulip paint, and it's like dimensional fabric paint, which can go on anything, not just fabric, but you can just scrape it off and you won't have to keep it on there, okay? So if you don't want to use it that way, it's okay. If you get it and you're like, I liked it better before that, when it dries, you can just scrape it off and you can do your own, or put a button, or put a little wood bead, or another color of paint, whatever you want to. But that would be really cute. I don't have any buttons out here right now, or buttons would have been a cute idea, but I think that turned out super duper cute. So it does look like they're growing on a little fence row. Isn't that fun? All right, guys, so thanks for joining me. I think it turned out really nice. So thank y'all so much for being here. Hope y'all have a great day. A lot of you are asking for the colors again. It was Fruit Punch, Parakeet, these are all from Walmart, Apple Barrel, King's Gold, and Key West. Right here, y'all can take a little screenshot of these if you want to. You can screenshot your phone right now. And these are the 4 colors that we used on the wood slices to get our flowers, all right?